at 6. We're told that so far this school year, there have been more than 5,000 suspensions at Buffalo Public Schools. Good evening, everyone. I'm Claudine Ewing. Now, that number comes from the BPS Community Health Worker Parent and Student Association. That's a group that works to lower the suspension rate in the district. As 2 on Your Side's Danielle Church reports tonight, they held an event to educate students and parents about their rights regarding suspensions. Tell us all about it, Danielle.
Yeah, Claudine. So according to that association, Buffalo Public Schools has one of the highest suspension rates in the state. Today, they were trying to educate parents and students and parents about ways to prevent those suspensions from happening. Connect, the Western New York Law Center, Erie County Restorative Justice Coalition, We the Parents, and Buffalo Immigrant and Leadership Team were also there. Jessica Bauer-Walker is the president of the association. She says there should be consequences for students who act out, but that doesn't necessarily mean they should all be suspended. Bauer-Walker says that's because the longer kids are out of school, the less likely they are to graduate. She says suspensions last about 5 days, but some last for most of the school year. Instead, Bauer-Walker says there needs to be more of a restorative approach to disciplining students.
I have been in so many conferences with students where they were taken away by Child Protective Services, or they lost a family member, they saw somebody get shot in their neighborhood, and so they're going to act up, right? And so if we can just pull them aside and say what's going on, a lot of our students say, this was a misunderstanding, or I made a mistake. And so the best thing that we can do is really talk to our students and understand that they're dealing with a lot. We have a mental health crisis that's really going on with our youth right now. And so the first and foremost thing that we can do is to build healthy relationships with our students and ask them what's going on so that we can come up with an appropriate response.
She says the association is working to get a website and call line up so parents and students have more resources and know their rights about suspensions. I've reached out to BPS to find out how the district is trying to lower those suspensions. And coming up at 11 tonight, we will hear from students who have been suspended in the past but are now working on solutions to help other students. In the Information Center, Danielle Church, Channel 2 News.